Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, Incrementality Testing, the playbook for replacing last-click attribution. Let's start with a provocation. You've said last-click attribution has been lying to marketers for years. That's a strong accusation against a tool half the industry still swears by.
It's not even a controversial one anymore. Last-click attribution, the model that gives 100% of the credit to whatever ad someone touched right before they bought, is like crediting the person who opened the door for winning the marathon.
Walk me back a step. Why is that wrong? Someone did click the ad and buy.
They did. But the question isn't did they click? It's would they have bought anyway? A huge share of last-click conversions are people who were already coming to you. They searched your brand name, clicked your own ad, and bought. You just paid to intercept a sale you already had.
So you're paying a toll on your own bridge.
Exactly that. And it gets worse. Since 2021, privacy changes. Apple killing the identifiers apps used to track you, browsers dropping third-party cookies, mean you can't even see the full click path anymore. So last click isn't just biased. It's now guessing with half the data missing.
Fine, so what replaces it? You're pushing incrementality testing. Define it before you use it.
Incrementality is the extra sales your ad actually caused, the ones that wouldn't have happened without it. An incrementality test measures that directly by holding some people back from seeing the ad and comparing.
That sounds like a science experiment, not a marketing plan.
It is a science experiment, and that's the point. You take your audience, you split it. One group, the test group, sees the ads. The other, the control group, doesn't. Then you look at who bought in each. The difference is your true lift.
Give me a concrete version. What does that look like in a real channel?
Take Meta, Facebook, and Instagram. They offer what they call a conversion lift test, where they randomly withhold ads from a slice of your audience. Say the test group converts at 4% and the control at 3%. That 1 point is your incremental lift. Everything above the 3% baseline is what your spend actually bought.
And that vendor number, Meta running the test on Meta's own platform, you trust it?
I trust it the way I trust a restaurant reviewing its own food. It's a starting point, not gospel. The cleaner method is a geo-test. You turn ads on in some cities, and often comparable ones. Portland gets the campaign, Sacramento doesn't. You compare sales. Nobody's grading their own homework there.
What kind of gap are we talking about between what last click claims and what's real?
When I ran this at a retail brand, our branded search, ads on our own name, showed a stellar last-click return. Incrementality testing said roughly 80% of those buyers would have found us anyway. We cut that spend by a third, and revenue didn't move. That's a third of a budget line doing nothing.
That's the part that stings. You're admitting you were lighting money on fire.
Everyone is. They just haven't run the test to prove it. The comfortable dashboard number feels great. Incrementality is the friend who tells you the truth at the wrong moment.
So how does an exec actually start without hiring a team of statisticians?
Start with your single biggest channel and your most suspicious line item. Almost always branded search or retargeting, ads chasing people who already visited your site. Those are where the lying is worst.
Why those two specifically?
Because both target people already leaning toward you. Retargeting shows ads to someone who was about to buy anyway. The test tells you how much you're paying to nudge a decision already made.
And when the number comes back ugly?
You reallocate. Move the money to a channel where the lift is real and let it run. That's the whole loop. Test, cut the fake wins, feed the real ones.
One thing they can do Monday morning?
Pick your branded search budget. Run a 2-week geo holdout. On in half your markets, off in the other half. And compare total sales. If nothing drops, you just found your first real savings.
Done. Want to know where you actually stand? Take the CMO self-assessment at mba-training.com.